Welcome to MTV Cribs Slumlord Edition. Oh man, I would show you the rest of the setup, but that's more sad than funny. So let me show you how the MPC One works and what you would need to hook it up together. You could call it a review, but it's really just what you would need to set it up successfully. First of all, obviously Griselda sweatshirt on the goddamn chair. All right, so here's the MPC One. I'm gonna show you real fast what it looks like when it powers on, because it's kind of cool. I don't know if you've seen these next gen ones with the stupid colored pads. I used to think that was corny, but I got used to it and now I kind of like it. Like at first I used to turn off the colors. Ooh, see what I'm saying? See, they got the little translucent shits, and they can light up any color. So what I was saying earlier was that the MPC is both a standalone and can be used as a controller. And as of late, I usually use it as a controller. So it's hooked up to the whole workstation with the laptop that's got the MPC software. And so what I mean by that, right? Like right now it's in standalone mode. So, whatever. Where's the playhead? There it is. You bang out whatever, blah, 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 blah. And then it's stuck here until you pop out the SD card. And let me show you, hold on. I don't know if I should turn it off again. Well, that would be stupid. All right, it'll be fine. All right, hold on. So the MPC One has its own version of the MPC software to fit in with, I don't know, the display and whatever. Hold on. Let me go to the disk. All right, I'm gonna eject it. Yep. So I used to have to, I'd make a beat, save a beat, do this whole process, pull out this little motherfucker, and it is a micro SD card in a bigger holder. But anyway, and then I have what you need to connect it to a laptop that doesn't have an SD card is one of these connectors / docks / dongles, which is a word I really hate. So I used to have to pop this guy in here. Let me see if I can do this with my left hand. That's just stupid. Anyway, you get the idea. It goes in this motherfucker. All right, so now what I can do is instead hit this little snazzy button. Don't save. And it'll go into controller mode. It gives me a stupid little warning, or maybe it didn't because I had to save it. Yeah, that was the warning. Okay, and so now, if you notice, hold up. Let me see if I can. This song, I don't know if you can see, it's called The Take Over. And now it is showing up here, and everything that happens on the screen I can control from here. And so now let me show you the setup. So the MPC One of the reasons they call it One is it's an all-in-one. So you don't need a computer, right? These ends are the audio interface, which leads to the speakers, and then my turntable. I don't know if you can see it here next to the sweet-ass boombox and Rocky carrying a chicken. So what I got is, so first of all, the docking station that has USB joints. This is the infrared sensor for my keyboard and mouse. This is for the MPC, and this is for this interface. This right here is a charging cable, and then back here is SD card and the video thing, and I don't know, maybe that's the mini SD card. So I have an audio interface, and so it's got this, the speakers coming out. Here's the USB that connects it to the MPC One. These are the speakers out, speakers. And so it's connected to USB mode, which I've also got it connected directly to the MPC. So if I go to switch this over to direct, and I'm using just the machine without the computer, without this nonsense plugged in, I can play it through the speakers. And that also, since the vinyl is connected to the MPC One, that allows me to sample or just even listen to records through my machine, which is pretty dope. So M Audio, they're, I guess they got bought by Air. or maybe the other way around, but M Audio was huge back in the day for making the M Box, which was the first interface that really allowed you to use any kind of equipment and computers together. So, let me think about this. Yeah, so you'll need an audio interface if you want to hook up speakers. Because, wait, is that true? Shit. Maybe not. Wait, why did I do that? No, you know what? That's not even true, dude. You want to know the real reason why I got the M-Box? So I could bring this blast from the past out, so I could actually connect my my DR5 to a computer or to my modern machine, so I could import the samples. I feel like if you're used to a MPC 2500, 2000, XL, 3000, whatever, that the MPC One is more that kind of shape. And I obviously got the retro color scheme with the retro logo for extra, but you know, just to give me that vibe of using a real old school MPC. Like I said, the stupid things light up. You can assign the colors. You can take all the colors out. You can assign different pads, different colors, whatever. Shit, I don't know if it's worth showing you. Plus, they changed how you get to it in an update, I'm pretty sure, so I'd just be wasting time. Trying to think if there's anything else to show you. The one thing that you might, when you do this hookup with a laptop, is you'll have to learn the MPC software, and it takes a minute, but I got it down. And unfortunately, not unfortunately, but fortunately for me, unfortunately for everybody else, like I just read through the entire manual page by page and did all the, like, tried everything during the pandemic, during quarantine. But probably about, I don't know, a third of the stuff in there you won't need to learn how to use. There's different modes for different players, and you know, I don't use all of them. There was one other thing I wanted to show you, maybe not. So that's that. My vote is always for the MPC One. I like the look, what have you. It's somewhat portable. I mean, I guess if you were like, you could have it on your nightstand and sit in bed and put it on your lap. The MPC Live is obviously more suited for something like that on the fly. It's something where you can literally make beats on your lap, and plus it's battery operated too, or it has a battery backup or whatever, so you don't even have to connect it to an outlet. Yeah, so that is how the MPC One studio setup looks like. All right then, I'll catch you on the flip side.